I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and loading the exact page you want to save. This ensures the URL, title, and preview are correct. Next, tap the Share button on iPhone or the Bookmarks icon on Mac. This is the first actionable step to capture the page. When you do that, you choose between Bookmark, Add to Reading List, or Add to Favorites. Pick Bookmark to keep the link in your organized list. This saves time later and preserves the page metadata. Once done, select the location, pick an existing folder or create a new one so bookmarks stay organized. Make sure to rename the bookmark to a clear, searchable title. That name is how you'll find it later. On Mac, click the Folder menu. On iPhone, tap Choose Location then Save. You can also add tags or move it to favorites for quick access. These steps reduce clutter and make retrieval faster when you need the link again. After saving, open your Bookmarks panel to confirm the link is in the correct folder and the title looks right. This verifies success. If you use multiple devices, make sure iCloud Safari Sync is enabled so bookmarks appear everywhere. Go to Settings or System Preferences and toggle Safari Sync. If bookmarks don't show up, toggle iCloud Safari off and on, sign out and back into iCloud, or restart the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.